I want my outside bit to look like a party. Well, this is where your party lights come in. But first we've got to install this. And because I've completely forgot what one in here is basically going out to the lights, I'm just going to bell them out, easy to find out. So let's go to live and neutral, put them in here, and this will bell them out. And then we'll get this. That looks like it's a switch wire to that. Not that one. Not that one, perfect. And then make sure I get this the right way around. We've got out and in. The live and neutral wants to go in there, and out wants to go in there. So then out was these. Should go live out, neutral. Neutral's in the middle, like a meter. So we get the neutral in the middle. There we go, because this will be out. They're up. Yep. And the live on the outside. There we go. Didn't get it. Obviously didn't undo it enough. Neutrals in there. This little cap can go over. There we go, and that will sit in there like so. And then with these lights, let's open them up, and they go straight into the driver. Let's just open this up. Should have come with a screw undone. Oh, sugar. There we go. Let's put that back in. Right, now just to do these so we can put these lights up. There should be plenty like that. Make that nice and straight. And just terminate these for all of them. And then we need, obviously, a bit of this. So we'll have one, sugar, two. This could be straight in here, nice and easy. He says, push him in. Oh, perfect. And that will be it. Right, we're ready for power, but I have to remember as well to fuse down, because these switch fuse spurs, they come with a 13 amp. I don't want a 13 amp. I want this to be a lighting circuit, to be a 5 amp, which will be fine in there. Where's that 13 gone? Yeah, I'll keep that in there. So then we want to switch on the lighting circuit. So that protects the lighting circuit basically. Let's do that back up. Gonna have to be mega tight, but that is for the lighting circuit. And we have that searching for a signal. So we need to get the switch out. And marry it up. So if we hold our finger, hang about, let's turn the light on in here as well, because now the light's on. There we go, we've got light in here. So then we need to get a signal. So let's hold that down. 2, 3, 4. There we go, 3 seconds or so. And then that should do the switch. Let's see. Lights on. Lights off. Lights on. They're in pairing mode for the app. That's why they're flashing. So they're back in the box. Yeah, sorry BG. They are a frigging nightmare to set up. So I'm not interested in doing that. So, do you recommend any downlights that are RGB, that are colour changing? Stick it in the comments.